Wake up, good morning, then I tell myself I'm the king of all the land. Put on my slippers, then I grind some more. Got my paper in my pen. I am a lion, I kill what I eat. My chin to the sky, no one's looking down on me. I wear a crown where the gold is wrapped around. Walk like a G, when I step I shake the ground. Never just me, matakoas all around. Everyone tells me they feel in my style. Say I got that fire, yeah I got the juice. I'm feeling some way, like I'll never lose. I'm not a loser, I came to win. Confidence kills when you feel like Sinatra got the world on the street. When I am on one, I am a monster. When I sing, my grind is harder. There's some things that I don't need, no Cinderella. I kinda like it on my own. I am a rebel. Anything I want is mine, I'm first in line. I'm a villain in the night. You can't catch me if you try. I will kill off any plan you haven't planted in your mind. I'm not no cocky guy, I swear. Confidence running through my head. I am the man in town. People that love me everywhere. Say I got that fire, yeah I got the juice. I'm feeling some way, like I'll never lose. I'm not a loser, I came to win. Confidence kills when you feel like Sinatra got the world on the street. I bet you I'm stronger. No one can tell me what to do. They see my hunger. I got them playing pickaboo. It's like thunder. I'm proud of my roots. Hail from November. My pride got me too. I grind till the morning light. Don't really sleep at night. I'll sleep when I'm famous and looking cool. I've got the